Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta, your strategic wealth consultant from Tag Investments. What we are going to talk about is there a broad based rally expected in the year 2020, 2021, 2022? So, we've tried to explain it through this chart. In Jan 2018, Sensex rose to its all time high of 34,433, whereas small cap and mid cap, along with the Sensex, also reached its all time high of 20,183 and 18,321, respectively. However, the case of Sensex in Jan 2020 again peaked out to 42,278, whereas small cap was still at 14,651, almost 20-30% below their all-time high. Similar fate was with mid cap, almost close to 15-20% from their all-time high in Jan 2020. Now, come 2020, the Sensex fell to 26,000, and then in July it rose to 36,000. In March, the small cap dipped down to 8,800, the mid caps dipped down to 9,800. In July, from 8,000 it reached to 12,000, mid cap from 9,000 it reached to 13,000. Clearly, it is visible that we see a broad based rally in small cap and mid caps. So our communication and message is very, very clear that here onwards, 2020, 2021, 2022, from here to next 2 to 3 years, we do see a broad-based rally coming up. That is where you can be a opportunist to invest in stocks, direct stocks, or mutual funds, and diversify your portfolio from large cap to mid cap and small cap as well. Thank you so much for the watch.